At STP, how many liters of oxygen are required to react completely with 3.6 liters of hydrogen to form water? Again, first step, identify the given substance and the wanted substance. Well, clearly they're giving us 3.6 liters of hydrogen. Hydrogen is the given substance. They're asking for, or they're wanting, how many liters of oxygen. So oxygen is the wanted substance. Let's take a look at our stoichiometry roadmap. They're giving us liters of oxygen. Well, if we look here, we've got particles, grams, liters. Here we go. So we're going to start with that. And they're asking for liters of hydrogen. Well, over here is the wanted side, particles, grams, liters. Okay, so they're asking us to calculate that. So just looking at the roadmap, it looks like we would take the given liters of hydrogen multiplied by 1 mole of hydrogen over 22.4 liters of hydrogen, giving us moles of hydrogen. We would then multiply that by a mole ratio, moles of oxygen over moles of hydrogen from the balanced equation, which would give us moles of oxygen. Then we would take the moles of oxygen multiplied by 22.4 liters and get liters of oxygen. But there's a shortcut. Notice here that we're dividing by 22.4, and over here we're multiplying by 22.4. Well, in a way that's kind of silly. So why don't we just take out these steps, because they kind of cancel each other anyway. So we could go liters of our given substance times the mole ratio equals the liters of our wanted substance. That only works if the given substance and the wanted substance are obviously gases and they're at the same temperature and pressure. Well, in this problem statement it says at STP, so we can assume they mean, both the reactants and the products are at STP. So let's go ahead and do that. Right? Liters of our given substance. 3.6 liters of hydrogen. Multiply it by our mole ratio, but let's call it a liters ratio since we want the units to work out nicely. So it would be, the coefficient is 1 here, so 1 liter of O2 divided by 2 liters of H2 equals, well, liters of hydrogen cancels with liters of hydrogen, and you get 3.6 times 1 over 2 liters of oxygen. Well, 3.6 times 1 over 2 is 1.8. 1.8 liters of oxygen, and that's the answer. Let's make sure we answered the question. How many liters of oxygen? Well, 1.8 liters of oxygen. We answered the question.